What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. Thank you for finding this video. Thank you, YouTube algorithm, for showing this particular video to this particular viewer. I hope to convert you to a subscriber by the end of this video. So let's get started. Are you like me that has some terrible dance skills? I mean, you even feel ashamed when you dance in front of the mirror. You're not alone, because I am also like that, and I feel this. I mean, look at this animations. They even dance way better than me. I mean, I don't even have any dance skill as close as this. Now, I'm not saying I've found a solution that will teach you how to dance, sadly though, but what I'm saying is I have found a solution that would show people something that looks like this. I mean, something that looks like you could dance. This solution is called Viggle. It's Viggle AI, and it's an artificial intelligence that converts your image into some form of dance step or any action you give it. So most people for now use it for dances, and I'm here to just show you how it works and how you can get started. So to get started, all you need to do is go to Viggle.ai, then join the beta. It needs you to have a Discord account. I already have one, which I after clicking, it's just a straightforward process to join. The next thing you need to do is after joining, it's going to show you like Viggle as one of the apps you have up there. When you click it, for someone like me, I have Moon Valley, I have other apps as well. So clicking on Viggle, you would have up to, for now, up to 10 channels that you could use in creating videos. They are all named animate, so animate 1 to 10, and the prompt is really simple because it just needs you to insert the picture and add a prompt to it. But on Viggle's website, there is a part that gives you a guide on the kind of prompts that you can use. I mean, if you want to implement something like this, if you want to emulate something like this on your videos, on your image, all you need to do is just copy this prompt, and that's it. Then paste it there, and I'll show you how. It has up to 12 pages, and you could keep scrolling and checking which of the dance steps or actions you want. And I'm more interested in dances because oh, I mean, look at this. This looks like something that would be extremely funny when I send it to people. So I could either just select and copy it here, or just click on this to copy. So prompt copied successfully. Then I need to go back to the Discord channel and click, just type /animate. Now when you type /, let me just delete animate for the first keys I've pressed. When you type /, it gives you these options: animate, mix, and setting. So we're going to start by animating, because animate just helps you to animate the image you have and convert it to a video. So when we type animate, it gives us this option where we can just click on. First, you need to insert the image. So I have an image of mine. I mean, just me standing innocently. Yeah. And then the motion prompt is what we've already copied. So I'm just going to paste it here. The background is, you could choose white, green, or from just any available template. So I prefer the from template option because it just gives you something that looks a bit, I mean, more interesting. So the fine-tune option, you could choose off or on. I still don't know what this does, but I always leave it on. So after that, all we need to do is just press enter and wait for it. So this looks like one of those mid journey kind of systems where all you need to do is do that, and it's public, so you have like so many people trying out different things, and it loads so, I mean, it loads so many of those prompts, and voila, what I just did is complete. So let's go ahead and play it. I can put it on full screen. Okay, so does it need me to? That's weird. I mean, I look too serious on this. I mean, I'm not even smiling. But that's what it does. I mean, it just gives you that action, and it's really interesting to see. That's one thing you could do. You could just choose from any of these prompts, and since you have the samples there, it will give you the output as you have given it. So the next thing you could also try is get a video. Remember when I showed you one of those animations that are dancing? I just went to pixabay.com and searched for man dancing, and I'm surprised it's showing me mostly animated videos, but that's still fine. Now we're going to try that option, because in this case it means I want to emulate this, and all I need to do is, instead of when I press the / button, instead of typing animate, all I need to do is type mix, and the first option would be for me to insert the image. So in this case, let me just try using this image, and the second option is to insert the video you want to emulate. So this is this video, and background. And one thing I also noticed is, if you're emulating a video, like a custom video, the only options you have for the background is either white or green. You can't have the template option. So in this case, I would go with white and fine tune. I'm going to leave it on still and enter. And one other thing I noticed with this is the speed of execution. I mean, it delivers like you get the output way faster than some other AI generators using Discord, using I mean, like models like this. I don't know, maybe because it still doesn't have as much, like as many members yet, or there's something else they're doing, or maybe because they've created up to 10 channels that are spread across the server and people get to use them as they like. So as we wait for this, I mean, look at how comfortable I am waiting for it, because I'm not even pausing the video, because I know it's gonna come up fast, and this is it. All right, so this distorted my face. I can see it from here, and I'm going to just okay, this is funny. The only thing is, people won't really know I am the one, because the face isn't mine. That's the truth. And well, lastly, the other option is the settings option, and you use the settings option to select the model for video generation. If you notice, most of the generations I have done, or people have been using, has been the with the V2 option. So with the settings option, you could change the model, which at this point I don't even know the difference. I don't even know what V2 or V1 does differently. All I know is that V2 should be an updated version, and that's it. And you can also play around with other people's animations. I mean, look at what this guy has done. That's Cristiano Ronaldo's celebration. Anyway, that's it. I just said I should show this to you guys, and you could just catch fun with it, show people, show your friends, and have fun. That's been it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, click the like button. I would like to see your comments about anything concerning this video in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.